Today we are going to cook our rice and beef stew. So you should start putting your rice, 1 cup, 2 cups, 2.5 cups. So we can start to wash it. Put your water and then we wash our rice. We should wash our rice to be good. And then we can wash for the second time. Like that. Our rice now is good. Should be like that. And then we can put our rice into the sufuria like that. And then we can put our rice to the cooker like that. And then we can put our water. Our hot water, 4 cups. Then we can put our salt, 1 spoon. Then we can put our cooking oil, 2 teaspoons. And then for our stew, we should have, this is our ingredient for stew. We should have our meat, 1/2 kg. We should have our potatoes. We should have 2 tomatoes, and then we have 1 onion, and then we have 2 Royco cubes. So this is our ingredients for today for cooking our stew. So let's begin. Now our rice is looking like this. You can do like this so it cannot be touched together. So now we can go to start to cook our stew. We can put our cooking oil like that. Then we can put our meat. Then you can put your onion. Then you can put your potatoes. And then you spoon. Then you can put your tomatoes. Then you can spoon it like this. And then you can put your Royco cube. Like that. Spoon it again. Then you can put water for the stew, 2 cups. Then you can put a pinch of black pepper, like that. And then you can put 1 spoon of salt, like that. Then you can do it like that. Our rice is looking like this. So you can see it's boiling. Our rice now is good, it's ready. Our meat is also ready. Then here's your food. It's ready. This is how it's looking like. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, to like, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.